Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today it's all about celebrations, and the biggest celebration that has happened here at Astar's place is we have finally done it. 100,000 subscribers. So from me to all of you who have subscribed to our lovely family where we're loving, kind and sharing here at Astar's place, thank you so much. Now we're going to have a bit of a celebration tonight, and all the champagne arrived, and I was thinking, now what would I do for on the tables? And a lovely little thing went clink, and I looked at all of these boxes and thought to myself, Moet box. That's a nice sturdy box. Definitely a bit of money's gone into the packaging, and I thought, now this could go to the landfill, or it could go for the base or a container for today's design that I want to share with you. So I looked at, and if you're ever stuck and thinking, oh well yeah, that's a good idea that Astar's got, but I don't have one of those boxes. Here's a wee tip that I want to share to you all. I look at the container, I look at the detailing, and I think to myself, it's only 2 colours and a bit of black there, so there's 3 colours. So what I did was I went off and I found some of this beautiful gold embellished honesty. This is artificial because I couldn't get any real stuff, but if you've got some growing in your garden, just give it a mist over with a little bit of gold paint. Perfect, because look what it does. Ta-da! How cool is that? I just love that I can pinch what somebody else has already put thought into. Plus, I'm looking at this lovely creamy colour here, and I've got these gorgeous little roses. Now, they're not exactly the same colour, but I've not seen a rose that colour often. You usually see that colour in a rose, but I just thought, now look at that. We'll just have white or cream and gold. And the other thing that I've got here, let me show you this. This here is called Filica or bubble bush, and I just love it. And I just thought, oh, champagne, diamonds, fur, bubbles, how perfect is this all? So I've got 3 components to make the basis of a nice design. To begin, because the box is all nice and sturdy, oh, you can tell it's sturdy, get a Stanley knife and just cut a little wedge along there, or a little trough, and then do the same on the other side. Doesn't have to be too neat, but just cut that bit out like so. Doesn't need to be too neat, but if you want it to be neat, you could be. I'm just in a bit of a rush now to get on with it. And then that could just go into the base of the box. Now, if you're using fresh flowers, use green soaked foam. If you're using artificial, use the grey foam, which has been specially designed for using the artificial forms, which are a much stronger stem, because usually they've got wire up them. Right, from there, the next thing to do is put your foam into the box, and as I said, I'm using artificial, so I've used the grey foam. Look, just a wedge along there will be all you need. If you're using the green foam, which is wet, you'll need to get a plastic container or something, or plastic to line it so that it doesn't leach out the sides. From there, it's just a matter of getting the lovely honesty. I'm going to apologise right now. It's my cats that are skidding around on the floor. So I'm just going to put a little bit of honesty out each side. A bit to go out that side. Because I've done that there, I'm just going to put a bit over to there. I've got 2 more bits, so I'm just going to have a little bit over to there, and then I'll stick a bit into there. Now, getting the roses, it's just a matter of putting the roses down into the foam, into the cavity of your little hole there. Oops, I think I'm going to have to take this jacket off. It's getting a little bit hot here. And oh, there's another bit of that. I'll keep that bit. That can go into there. And I thought that I've got, what have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, that just fell out. 2, 4, 6, 7. And because 8 is a lucky number, I'm going to put the last one right over to that side. I've got 1 little bit of this left, so I'm just going to put that up through there, and then getting the bubble flower, just stick little bits of that through the design. How easy is this? I love this type of designing, and I love that it just came to me early this morning before the boys arrived to film, and I thought, oh, I know exactly what we've got. Recycle, don't send it to the landfill, put it into a design. How quick and easy is that for celebration flowers? Now, if you've got long tables, you might like to make several of these for, depending on your table, but as a general rule, I get the length of a table, whether it's round, square or oblong, and I divide that by 3, and that would go there, and another equal distance I'd put another one, and you could put candles in through here, or you could have one sitting there and then another one sitting this way like so, and have them all running along the table. It's entirely over to you. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and thank goodness that Moet have got strong, sturdy boxes that make for good containers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you another day.